How to block someone on Poshmark. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can block someone on Poshmark, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to block someone on Poshmark, well, all you have to do is first of all open up your browser. You can do this from the browser or you can do this from the app as well. Once you open up your browser, go to poshmark.com. Now users can be blocked from interacting with your closet, which means your shop, and once a user is blocked, they will not be able to like, comment, or make an offer, share, or purchase any of your listings. To do this, all you have to do is just select a user and then just go to their closet. Once you go to the closet, you can see this is the product page and this is that person. If I want to block this user, all I have to do is just tap the three dots icon here, and then here you'll find an option called block user, and that's basically it. Tap the block user button, and then this person will be successfully blocked after this confirmation that it asked me. So I'll just tap the yes button, and now this person will not be able to like my products and then like my or share or purchase any of my listings. And this is how you can block a user on Poshmark. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.